G'day, good people. Welcome to the ultimatemoney.com.au coin review of the day. My name's Corey, and today we're going to take a look at Tether, a stable cryptocurrency that's tied to the US dollar. So what is Tether? Well, Tether is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency that is pegged to the US dollar, and the Tether Foundation claims to have $1 held in its reserve account for every Tether that is in circulation. And as Tether is equal to $1 regardless of if the market goes up or down, therefore, Tether is also regarded as a stablecoin. So what gives Tether value? Well, first off, it is a stablecoin on a volatile market. And it is useful to use when purchasing cryptocurrencies on exchanges that don't accept fiat transactions, but they do accept Tether. And it is often used by crypto investors, traders, and businesses to convert and safely store their crypto holdings. And Tether to Tether transactions incur no transaction fees. And right now, Tether is one of the most liquid cryptocurrencies on the market. Let's just imagine that the cryptocurrency markets are like the old seven seas filled with pirates, villains, heroes, and stormy volatility, which it is. Well, Tether is like a port where you can tie up your ship and it's going to be relatively safe compared to if it's left out there in the seven volatile seas of the cryptocurrency market. So what is some interesting technology behind Tether? Well, there's not really that much interesting tech behind it, except that it is an ERC20 token, meaning that it's based on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you want to know more about that, then go and check out our Ethereum review that I did a couple of weeks ago. So who are the team behind Tether? Well, first we have Reeve Collins, who is an American tech entrepreneur and the co-founder and CEO of Tether. Collins is also the CEO of interactive smart company Block V, and he's also known previously for successful online and gambling businesses. Second, we have Phil Potter, who is a chief strategy officer of Bitfinex, and he was also revealed to be a director of Tether. And Potter stepped down from his role at Bitfinex in June 2018. And third, we have Giancarlo Devasini. He's the chief financial officer of Bitfinex and was revealed as a shareholder in Tether due to the release of the Paradise Papers in 2017. I found it really hard to find who was involved in Tether. Unlike other cryptocurrencies where you look into them and you can find a whole list of the team from the top down to the advisors and everything in between, I couldn't find anything on Tether. It's actually quite secretive, and there's a lot of controversy about Tether and Bitfinex and the CEOs and the directives and the shareholders, and we'll get into that in a second. So what are some interesting partnerships with Tether? Well, first, Tether Limited is a money services business based in the British Virgin Islands and is incorporated in Hong Kong. And also, leading crypto exchange Bitfinex has an undisclosed and controversial partnership with Tether, as both companies share some key employees. So what are the good things about Tether? Firstly, Tether allows for traders and businesses who want to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies to stabilize their assets. And Tether is a useful tool for retaining crypto assets whilst avoiding taxable events. Plus, it allows for cryptocurrency purchases on exchanges that don't accept fiat currency. And of course, Tether is a pivotal source of liquidity on the cryptocurrency market. What are the not so good things about Tether? Well, without a doubt, Tether is one of the most controversial cryptocurrencies on the market, as there is a lot of doubt surrounding the legitimacy of its auditing system and the fiat money that it claims to hold in its reserve. There are popular claims that Tether and Bitfinex worked together to prop up and manipulate the Bitcoin bubble of late 2017. When the price of Bitcoin began to fall in early 2018, 850 million new tethers were printed and the price of Bitcoin stabilized and rose simultaneously. And also, there is a suspected deeper correlation between the Bitcoin price and Tether, and some warn that the price of Bitcoin would plummet if Tether crashes. And finally, the Tether Reddit forum is a ghost town, with rare comments that you can find here and there that claim that the administrator deletes any commentary country that does not speak positively of Tether. Ooh, not so good. So what's the future of Tether? Well, pretty much Tether plans to issue a British pound, GBPT, and Japanese yen, JPYT, equivalent to their USD, USTD trading pair. And there's nothing else I could really find about the future of Tether. Pretty much from what I could find, Tether is what it is, and that's just what it's going to be. It serves its utility, and it doesn't really have any plans for progressing in any way, except that they keep talking about wanting to make their auditing system more transparent. And these were promises that were made about a year ago, and yet nothing really has changed since. And so what is my personal conclusion of Tether? Tether is a pivotal source of liquidity in the cryptocurrency markets, and it is a handy tool for traders and businesses for stabilizing purposes. The claims of Tether's uncomfortably close relationship with Bitfinex, the legitimacy of its fiat reserves, and the role it has played in inflating the Bitcoin price is unsettling. Tether is a little bit iffy. However, there is a bright future ahead in terms of stablecoins, as more alternative stablecoins are entering the market, which will hopefully offer the same utilities as Tether, but will have more transparent fiat reserves, more transparent partnerships, and will hopefully be able to offer all of this with manipulation-free operations. Thanks for watching today, good people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and head to www.ultimatemoney.com.au where you can find all your crypto news, reviews, and how-tos. My name's Corey. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.